guys, it's me, Sona the Maven, and I'm here with a Dupray Neat Multi-Use Steam Cleaner review. I know, I'm so great at this. Okay, but first, right off the bat, I have to complain. It feels like really cheap plastic, kind of like the inside of a refrigerator, and then the button feels really cheap too. You see, it's like, you have to like kind of press at it pretty nicely to get to go. So it feels like I'm carrying around a little mini fridge or something. And also, so going back to the attachments, let me go to the attachments now. So it comes with these little attachments right here. We have there's 5 nylon, there's one right there, and then one little brass guy here. He's really pretty. I think that you can use this for grills or whatever, but it's really nice how that's a thing. And 5 regular ones. And now I read online reviews that these melt really easy, so we're going to actually test this out and see if that's true. You heard it here live, folks. It comes with this little thing, which is like the doodly and like a ton of rods. See, these rods are really tall. It goes really high. There's I can almost poke it from here. Back, fiend, back. So yeah, we definitely got some reach with this. If you want to steam clean your fans and get all that nasty dust off, this would be great too, I bet. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't make that claim. But it's nice having that reach. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and attach this. That's the next thing. How do I attach this thing? I just ripped this open. I was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna use this thing live. We're going live, folks. Okay, so you take this and I just stick it on, like manhandle it. It doesn't twist on. It's like a fight for the death to get this thing on. There we go. A little female power, and we got it on. Awesome blossom. That was a little rough. It would be nice if you guys had like actually clicking attachments or something instead of just having to force them on. I was concerned I was going to break something with that. Alright, and now we have these other tools that I'm going to use one day, but today is not that day. This is like an upholstery tool, and it comes with like a sack of stuff. And we have mops, we have a microfiber towel, and then that little cover thing for this thingy, and a little fragrance disc. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna fill this thing up. Oh yeah, filling it up. I already took it out, and this thing can hold 40 ounces of water. It says do not overfill, and I hope I did this right with the water. It did not come with a water thing. So I have a bowl, a mixing bowl with a little spout. You know, it would be great if you guys had one of those that come with this. Just a suggestion for people like me that can barely do math. Alright, it says here, tip, hold the steam trigger during refill to make it faster. Okay, so I have this. I push this or that? Which one's which? What does this do? Uh-oh. I think this is the steam button. So I'm going to trigger that while I pour those in. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. You know, something kind of... There's something like satisfying about this. It's like a fountain. So hold the trigger. Oh, that's a lot faster. Yeah, I wasn't joking. Put the rest in. It's kind of... There we go. So that's without, and that's with. It's really cool. Now it's just kind of going down fast by itself. It's not. Okay, now I've had it. Screw this back on. And yeah, I wonder how long I have to wait for this to heat up. I guess we'll see. I can't get this on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty means nothing to me because I'm dyslexic. So that way. Yes, I did it. Alright, great. So that's a thing. Alright, fantastic. Tank is full. I was told this thing would have wheels. Oh, it has wheels. Oh, it's like a little AI. Hey, Dupray, whatever your name is. Do my laundry. No way, human. I don't want to do that. Well, fine, Dupray. But you're going to clean my bathtub, okay? Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to get this thing in the bathtub. Okay, so I'm here in the bathroom now. And I just came across, I was like, oh my gosh, where's the plug? I looked over it, I looked aside, and then it's underneath it. And I just filled it up with water because I did not know that. It should have like a sticker right here for people like me that say, outlet is on the bottom or something. Because that's the last place I would expect an outlet to go. And it looks like we're going dark. Good job, phone. Good job, me. This is the worst. this is the worst dream.